Good morning, children. As you remember, yesterday we had studied about face value, place and place values of Indian and international system of numbering. Today we will discuss about expanded form and short form of numbers. There are three ways to do this expansion. As you know that you write the number and the number of places you put zeros over there, which when added up comes to the given number. We can also write it as 5 10 lakhs, 5 10 lakhs, 2 lakhs, 3 10,000s, 6 thousands, 7 hundreds, 1 tens and 8 ones, with which we can add up and bring to the given number. We can also write it in the form like 5 multiplied by 10 lakhs, 2 multiplied by 1 lakh, 3 multiplied by 10,000, 6 multiplied by 1,000, 7 multiplied by 100, 1 multiplied by 10 and 8 multiplied by 1. These can also be added up to form the given number. Now, if the number is given in this is the Indian system. Instead, if it is given as the international system, then when you are writing in this form, you have to be careful not to write as lakhs, but to write in the international system, that is the hundred thousands, millions, 10 millions. These are the places that has to come in over here. So these are the three forms of expansion of numbers. Now you can practice on this. I have given you some work to do, which you can do and practice it. Next, today I will also discuss about comparison of numbers. You all have already done comparison of numbers in class 4. But when the numbers becomes larger with more digits, more and more digits, you have to keep certain steps in mind to do it. The first step is you have to count the number of digits. More the number, the greater it is. That is, let us take this example. Here one number is given, here the another number is given. If I count the number of digits here, it comes to be 7 digits. If I count this, it comes to be 6 digits. So naturally, the one with 7 digits will be greater than the one with 6 digits. So it is easy to understand. But suppose when the number has equal number of digits, then what should we do? Then we have to compare each digit of one number with each digit of the next number. And when we are comparing, we should compare from the left to the right. So let us take this example and see to it. Now this is a number which has in the first place 2. Here also it is 2. Here it is 7. There 7. This is 6. This is 6 too. Next here it is 7 and here it is 6. So now till this position it was okay. But when these numbers changed, we can now place it as which is greater and which is smaller. So number which is greater makes the entire number to be greater. So in this way we can compare the numbers when they have the same number of digits. Now depending upon that, we can arrange in ascending order and descending order. Here you see this number has 7 digits, this too has 7 digits, and this has 5 digits. Now when we are doing ascending number, we have to do from the smaller number of smaller value to the greater value. So naturally the number with 5 digits will come first, and since both has 7, then we have to find the difference. So the difference is right in the first place. This is 6 and this is 7. So our 6 will come in the next place. The number with the 6 and number with the 7 will come in the last place to form it an ascending order. Similarly with the descending order, here you see the number of digits are same for all, 7 digits for all. Now what to do? Now we can see that in the first place this is 3, these are 1 and 1. So since we are doing descending order, we will go from higher to lower. And to go from higher to lower, naturally the one with the larger digit will come first. And now here you see these two. Here 1, 3, 2, 1, 5. 1, 3, 2, 1, 5. Till here it is the same for both. After that it is 7 here, it is 8 here. So naturally this number will become bigger than this number, and so this number will come after the first number, and this being the lowest, the smallest number will come in the last place. So this is regarding arrangement of descending and ascending order of numbers. Here are some examples given which you can practice at home. This is the ascending order, arrange the numbers in ascending order, and this is arrange the numbers in descending order. Thank you, children.